Hey everyone, this is Brennan from Client Portal, and I wanted to show you our latest and greatest feature, which is our WooCommerce integration. Now, this is something that we've been asked about for quite a while now, and we're really happy to roll this out. And the good news for you is that if you use WooCommerce and you've wanted to make it so you can automate how client portals get created or people are added to them, it's now super easy to do that, as you're about to see. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through quickly how to get it all set up. And it should only really take a few minutes and you'll be off and running. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is when you go into, obviously you should probably already have WooCommerce set up and configured. This isn't going to be a video on how to do WooCommerce. This is just about how to do Client Portal with WooCommerce. But once you're in WooCommerce and once you have it set up, go over to the settings area. So on the left sidebar, click settings, go to accounts and privacy, and make sure that this top tick box is unchecked. So allow customers to place orders without an account. Now, the reason this needs to be unchecked is when people buy from you, when people say, join your membership product, they need to be issued a WordPress account on your system. And the reason for that is you want to be able to get them a login that they can then log in again and go into their portal and so on. So if you allow people to do it anonymously and purchase from you without an account, then obviously the whole thing falls apart. So just make sure that option is unticked. Then once you've done that, all you're going to need to do is go in whenever you set up a product in WooCommerce. So assuming you have this online course, you'll see under the product data tab or area, there's a linked client portal option. So there are two things you can do with this. So you can either decide to make it so when somebody buys from you, they can either have a brand new client portal project set up from a template automatically. So this is useful. Let's say you're selling potentially coaching or whatever through your website, and you want to make it so whenever you get a new customer, a new client, you want to issue them their own portal that it's just them and you inside of it. For that, you're going to want to create a new project based off a coaching template or something that you would have created. So what you want to put in that would be maybe like a resource area for I don't know, like an intake questionnaire, an area where you have different FAQs around coaching and so on and so forth. Maybe a link to book a follow-up consult with you or whatever it is you need to put in it. That's obviously up to you, but you can go and you can create that as a template in Client Portal and then just make it so whenever anyone buys, we'll create a brand new portal using that template for them and them alone. So that's the first option. The other option is to attach the new sale, the new customer, to an existing portal. So this would be useful if you want to have like a shared members area where you have one portal that all of your members see at any given time. And you're going to go and add like updates, like maybe you have a big event coming up and you want to add an entry in it for that, or you update something about, the membership package or whatever else. You want to do that and update one portal. And that one portal might have, hundreds of people attached to it, right? So if that's the case, then you're going to want to choose attach to project and then choose the existing portal that's already been created that you want that new customer to be attached to. So those are your two options. Either create a new portal just for them and you based off of a template, or attach the new person to an existing portal that's already been created. So let's say we want to attach it to something that's already there. Then it's just a matter of when they go to purchase. So if they were to go and buy through WooCommerce, click add to cart, plug in their credit card details and purchase. Now they're going to be added automatically to that portal. So that's how it works. It's really simple. It just allows you to set up any number of products you want that can all be either adding people to existing portals or creating new portals based off a template. And from setting it all up, that's honestly all you need to do. Again, it's a really straightforward and simple configuration that we've built, but as you can probably see, it's pretty powerful, especially if you don't want to need to go through and think, oh, I have a new coaching client. I need to now go in and create a new portal for them in Client Portal and do it all manually. Now it's just a matter of you add your coaching product in WooCommerce and then wire it up so that when somebody becomes a new coaching client, they get that portal set up for them. So hopefully this makes some sense. If you need any help whatsoever with getting up and running, please don't hesitate to reach out. But yeah, we're really looking forward to seeing what people do with this, because again, this has been one of the most requested features by a long shot, and we have a lot more also in the pipeline to share with you.